If you're trying to make money with AI but everything you see online feels complicated, overwhelming, or just unrealistic, this video will simplify everything for you. Because the truth is, most people don't fail with AI because it doesn't work. They fail because they start with the wrong approach. Today, I'm breaking down one beginner-friendly AI system that can actually make money without coding, without expensive tools, and without needing an audience. This is the same framework freelancers, solopreneurs, and small creators are using right now to generate consistent income with AI. Here's how it works. Instead of trying to invent a brand new AI product or chasing the latest trend, this system focuses on solving one small specific problem for people who already want help. AI becomes the engine in the background, not the product itself. The first step is choosing a simple service that businesses already pay for. Things like content creation, lead generation, short-form video editing, email writing, customer support replies, or basic automation. These are boring problems, but that's exactly why they pay. Once you pick one service, you use AI to do most of the work faster and cheaper than a human could do alone. For example, instead of writing emails manually, you use ChatGPT to create them. Instead of editing short-form videos by hand, you use AI tools to cut, caption, and format them. Instead of managing customer replies, you use AI to draft responses instantly. You're not replacing people, you're replacing wasted time. The next step is packaging this into a simple offer. Not a complicated funnel, not a website, just a clear message. Something like, I help small businesses save time using AI. Or, I turn long videos into viral short clips using AI. Or, I automate repetitive tasks so you don't have to. Simple beats, clever every time. Now here's the part most people skip. Outreach. You don't wait for clients to find you. You go where they already are. YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Fiverr, Upwork. It doesn't matter. You find people already doing the thing you want to help with, and you offer value first. One message, one sample, one improvement. That's it. When someone sees AI save them time or money, they don't argue. They buy. This system works because once you set it up, AI does the heavy lifting. You're not trading hours for money, you're managing a process. And as you improve, you can raise prices, add recurring retainers, or automate even more. This is how AI becomes an autopilot income tool, not a gimmick. The biggest mistake beginners make is waiting until they feel ready. You don't need confidence, you need feedback. Your first client teaches you more than 100 tutorials ever will. If you want me to break this system down step by step in a future video, including exact tools, outreach messages, and pricing, let me know in the comments. And if you want more beginner-friendly AI systems like this, make sure you subscribe. New videos every week showing how to actually make AI work for you.